Hello everyone, welcome to AvgJoeWatchReviews, where we do more than just reviews. If you haven't noticed already, I've got the wild hairdo today for a truly wild and crazy watch that's totally original, and I definitely cannot wait to unbox it. I've actually had it sitting around for a couple days because I had not had the time to film it, so I'm excited to be able to finally see this watch. So, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also click a like, which also helps the channel immensely in the most charitable way to help out the channel. So with no further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. All right, so let's dive into the unboxing. First and foremost, I give you a little bit of swag, a little bit of a sticker here, pretty cool, and a letter, which I always love that personal touch. It says, "Hi Joe, thank you for the opportunity to review one of our hybrid case watches. The case is made from stabilized maple, burl, and epoxy. We've been working on our product since 2016 and it's undergone a ton of changes. So we look forward to your candid feedback as it only helps us get better. Let us know if you have any questions. Much love, Justin and Nibbin." So guys, I have to say, right away, I'm impressed by this sentence right here. "We look forward to your candid feedback as it only helps us to get better." I wish more companies would be upfront and say that, because that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to be upfront and candid about this watch. So I don't know what's inside here, so let's take a look. Wear your story. Follow us at the Maker Watch Company. This one is build number 385. I don't know if this is limited or not, but I know we've had a discussion about limited edition, limited. Everything is limited, right? They're not going to make an infinite number of these, so these are all hand built, so they can only make a certain amount of these in a certain amount of time. So pretty impressive. And I know this box is biodegradable. You can actually plant this box in the well, maybe it'll say it here. Let's see. Here we go. "There is no one alive that is youer than you. Plant this box and watch it grow." And from what I hear, it's actually a bunch of wild flowers that will grow. So I'm actually going to try this out when the weather gets nicer. So here is, I guess, a little instruction book, charging it up and everything. We all know how to do that, right? Here's some more swag. And I would assume this is the watch, so that's pretty cool. I like this whole biodegradable green thing that they're going here. This is really, really cool idea. So, comes in a nice pouch. Oh, by the way, I can't do this because I have to give the watch back, which is why this is not a paid promotion. So that's a bummer. But maybe they'll send me at least the packaging. I'll ask them because I would like to see what this looks like. So I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know whether or not they let me keep the box at least. So we'll see. So it comes in like a little pouch here, and here's the watch, guys. You ready? Here it comes. And I'm looking at this through the camera, so I have to see this. I actually have to move my head over and see this in person. And look at this thing, man. Wow. This thing is a work of art, okay? It does come with like a skeletonized movement, and it is charged as we're looking at it now. But I mean, look at the work on this watch, guys. Let's take it off the pillow. Comes with a nice, very nice rubber silicone. It's like actually a silicone strap, very soft, very supple. Whew. I've never seen a watch like this, guys. Never seen a watch like this. Is definitely unique. And we'll wind it up. How does it feel? I mean, this is maple burl, which I love this kind of wood, by the way. Very nice. Take a look at the back. This actually has a Miyota movement, which is not a bad movement. Wear your story. Okay. But man, this whole thing is just, I mean, to integrate a watch into this chunk of just art. Because, I mean, look, guys, this is something that, like, you could hang up on the wall. I mean, people, they make furniture out of this stuff. I mean, this is really cool. This epoxy, really, really nice. And you know what? I think this is a good opportunity to run the story of the Maker Watch Company and show you guys how these things are built, because that's just a marvel in itself. So let's run that and we'll come right back with some final thoughts. Isn't that cool, right? That was such a cool video. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. And I actually would like to sport this on the wrist. So today I'm wearing the Seiko Custom Black Bay on the Beads of Rice bracelet. And this is the one with the custom exhibition case back with the red tint. Check that out. So, how does this watch fit on the wrist? And I will tell you one thing right now. I seriously was not expecting it to be so light. Because it's, you know, wood and it looked kind of chunky, I was expecting it to be heavier. But the fact that they put it on a silicone strap, and the hardware on this is really quality. I've actually never seen a metal keeper before. I actually wish more companies would do that. So very nice touch. This actually wears very comfortable on the wrist. But I mean, tell me guys, tell me this is not a conversation starter. This may not be your taste, but you have to admit that this is one conversation starter after another here. And it is a deep watch. So when I do the full review of it, I will definitely show you guys all the dimensions. We'll get into the movement and other details. So just want to do a quick unboxing for you. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely stay tuned for the full review. I'm going to wear this for about a week or so and give you guys some final impressions on the wearability of this watch and whether or not it's something that I'd be interested in purchasing. So I'll check you guys next time, and always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on AvgJoeWatchReviews. God bless.